Alright, so Thanksgiving. Right here, got the 5 legacy packs. Open them up for you today. Let's see what we got in the spell roller first. Go ahead and check that out. Alright, what we got? Fairy's Hand Mirror. Yumi Ruka. Flash Assailant. Labyrinth Wall. Rush Recklessly. Molten Destruction. Jigen Bakudan. Fire Kraken. Fire Kraken. Tailor of the something. Fickle. Tickle. Going off with the Invasion of Chaos now. Alright, see if we can get some good hollows in these cards. Yeah. Cannon Spear. Soul Tiger. Amphibious Ultra Evolution Pill. Chumpman. Earth Chant. Ojama. Hyper Hammerhead. Who should we go with next, guys? Alright, let's go with the Metal Raider. I really like Metal Raider. Has some good looking cards in there. Classic looking cards. Look at that. See? Block Attack. Electric Lizard. I remember that from the first game I saw. First video game of Yu-Gi-Oh! I saw. Dream Clown. Blackland Fire Dragon. Blade Fly. Kaminari. Ancient Elf. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Nice. I would wear that armor. Lady of Faith. Maroon Finn. Alright. I want to save this one for last, but yeah, let's save it for last. Y'all like to say best to last so we can enjoy it. Oh, my jewel, look at that. Look at that art. Whoa. This reminds me of some Goosebumps creatures. Cool. Got Archfiend Roar. Pandemonium. Geico and Wicked Blade. Breaking. Goblin Agree. Blindly Loyal Goblin. Stunch. Gravity Axe. Alright. Let's go off with the Blue Eyes. White Dragon. Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Booster pack. Come on. Let's do Happy Thanksgiving. They're Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I'd like to thank YouTubers, myself. Oh, we got a cool polymerization foil. Look at that. Nice Thanksgiving after all. Hey, these are always good, especially because fusion monsters are my specialty right now. Yeah, look at those. Cool cards. Classic cards. Real cool. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a happy holidays. See you in the next video.